Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a U-part wig. It is so simple and it's so easy. I'm starting off by marking out the section that I'm going to leave open. So where I mark the line, that's where I'm going to put my last track. And I'm using a metallic Sharpie. You can use anything that will show up on a black dome cap, a white marker, anything. So a great way to make things go faster is to have your needles already threaded and ready to go. I had about 8 there and I didn't need any more for the whole entire wig. This hair is from WKWIG hair. I have it in their Peruvian straight hair. The longest bundle I have is 26 inches and the shortest one is 24 inches. And I only use about 2 bundles and like 1/4 of the third bundle because I wanted this hair to be on the thinner side. I didn't want it to be too thick because I was going to have the leave out. I just did not want it bulky and thick. So here I'm just showing you how I laid my first track down. This is just super simple. You would do this making any type of wig with a closure, frontal, anything. I'm just showing you how I laid the first track down. So if you don't know how to sew and you're looking for a full detailed tutorial on how to do that, I do have a video on that. I will leave a card up here and I will leave the link for the video down in the description box. So I do have a marking in the back of where I wanted to do the U-part. I messed up at first because this is my first time ever making a U-part wig. So it's definitely not perfect. So this was just an accident and that's why it's back there. This is how everything was looking after I had completed one bundle. So I just have one bundle in and I'm about halfway through the wig. So at this point I'm still taking the tracks and placing them like around the whole wig, nothing like up and down. I'm still going around the whole wig from one side to the other. So now that I'm at this step, I'm just going to take like 2 tracks and go straight across instead of trying to go in like a semicircle. And I'm just doing that because there's not going to be enough tracks to cover things up in the back if I try to go ahead and start doing the part where I marked out. You'll see what I'm talking about in like the next step. Here you can see what I meant. Like if I had to do this at that point, there wouldn't have been enough like hair to cover things up in the back. So that's why I had to put the 2 extra tracks straight across before I started doing this. So I have 2 more tracks and I'm just going to go like a little bit in front of the marking. And the next track I do will be on top of the metallic marking. now I'm just going to cut out the empty space of the dome cap, and it's going to look like there's so much space, but once you put the wig on, it's really not a lot of space. And then I'm going to add some clips to the inside of the wig. I got the wig clips from the beauty supply store, but I will link some down in the description box. And I didn't record me sewing them in because it was a struggle and I really didn't know what I was doing, because this was my first time doing all of this, but it worked out. I did 3 clips, one on both ends and one in the middle of the wig. So now I'm going to straighten the hair back out because I did wash it and let it air dry. I'm taking my Biosilk hair serum and I'm going to rub that throughout the hair. Make sure you do like one little pea-sized amount, like for real, because it is very oily, but it does soak out the hair very nicely. I'm using a new flat iron that I just bought and I absolutely love it. I'm going to link it down in the description box so you guys can check it out. This is the best flat iron I have ever used. Like, it got the hair so silky. This is just part 1 of my U-part videos. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply it, so make sure you stay tuned for that. This hair is from West Kiss, so definitely check it out. All information and every product that I used will be down in the description box, so definitely check that out. Make sure you leave a like if you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.